All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Now, in today's video, I want to briefly talk to us on how we can get customers and how to build our fashion brand for some of us that are yet new in this fashion business, because I have been getting some messages from people requesting for such video. So that is why I have to come to explain to us or to give us an insight how to go about this. Now, how do we get customers or clients? Now, some of us think that customers or clients are different from the regular people we see on a daily basis, right? Now, do you know that your blood brother, your sister can be your client? Even your parents as well can also be your customer or your client. Your friends too can be your customer or your client. Now, these people can be one of the basic customers or clients you might start with before you start looking for the bigger ones, right? Now, the big question is, before you crave for clients, are you ready to satisfy them? Are you ready to dance to the tune of the client in regards to fashion, right? Are you ready to give them what they want? Is your work that good enough? Now, have you developed that your fashion career to a point everyone is giving you a positive feedback? In out of 10 clothes, you get 9 over 10 positive feedbacks. Now you must not be perfect before you start up, but please, you must know how to make neat outfits. No matter how simple they are, it must be neatly done. Then, how to build your customer base? Now, first and foremost, you can't tell me you're a designer and you don't like wearing clothes made by you. Now, you are your first client. You yourself is your first client. You yourself is your first customer. All you need to do is you can make one piece, one fine cloth for yourself, and then you can attract your immediate friends to come and patronize you. Now, they will come looking for you. Now, please don't use price to pursue them at first. So it with the least amount. This will make them come again, and possibly they will help refer others to you. By so doing, you are building your customer base. Let us take for an instance. Now, if you have 5 friends, for example, and a friend refers 5 people to you, now 5 times 5 is 25. Automatically, you have 25 customers and friends. Now, your customer base is growing gradually when you start having such referrals. Now, don't have the mindset of automatic riches and affluence. It's not possible. Now, don't try to lose focus on building them. Now, try to focus on building them first. It actually takes time, but you have to be consistent, right? Now, this is solely for customer base, how to build them, how to get them. Now, you can as well employ social media in your dealings. You can use social media to as well add up to your customer base by posting videos, posting pictures, posting short clips of your work on social media. This will go a long way to help broadcast your presence on the particular field to your potential customers online. Now, don't check comments, don't check likes when you post, because sometimes they don't comment, they don't like. The actual customer that will patronize you might not even comment. He or she will know the address to your inbox, to inbox you to make inquiries or to place his order or her order. Now, make sure that you also drop numbers of your business numbers in each post. Make your number to litter all over your social media platforms, so that whenever a customer comes to your profile or your page, he or she will not find it difficult to locate your number for easy communication, right? Now, another topic here I want to tell us is that some of us who are learning as well. They always want their boss to teach them everything. It is not possible. Your boss will not teach you everything. Why? Because fashion evolves. No one knows it all, right? Now, some of us are waiting to finish learning from our boss or our oga before we can start practicing. It is not possible. You must practice as you are learning, right? My brother and sister, program yourself. Give yourself daily, weekly, and monthly targets, right? For example, let's say today might be Monday. Now, all you need to do is focus on how to iron nicely. Have that target on daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Now, on Tuesday, you can focus on how to achieve stretch stitches with your rough fabric, right? You can just practice pedaling machines and stuff like that. Then on Wednesday, focus on how to achieve neat finishing. Example, learn it verbally and then start putting it to practice on your daily sewing, right? Now on Thursday, you can just focus on how to cut, right? Cut confidently without your boss much correction. That is, this will be done on daily cuttings, not once. You cannot achieve cutting perfection once, on daily, right? Now on Friday, you can say learn how to package customers outfits for prompt delivery. Now when you do this repeatedly, you see yourself growing. Then on Saturday, you can rest, do your laundry, have a mental recalling of your weekly activities, note where needs more attention, and plan yourself again for the upper week. Now don't forget, on Sunday, worship your God, prepare for another week, another week of new goals and challenges, right? You can say this month, first month, perfect on cutting of shorts, trouser, and top. Use it as a monthly project. Now, source for more knowledge online. YouTube is there for us. Most of us are lucky to have YouTube now. Now, don't depend only on what your oga is teaching you. Subscribe to good YouTube channels like my own, Redefine Clothing. Subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. Just click on the button subscribe at the top right corner of your channel. Please subscribe from this video and make sure you comment. Tell me how impactful this video is or must have been to you, right? Now, don't waste your data on watching movies, series of movies without anything tangible. Waste your data on YouTube to learn. Now, second month, you can focus on joining, sewing with the assistance and directions of your oga, right? Now, this can also be done repeatedly and fix in your own programs, which I might not know or I might not have covered. I just give you an instance on how to go about it. So I believe this video must have given you some insights and some level of hope and aspirations in your fashion career. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget, give me a thumbs up on this video if you feel this video gave you hope and gave you an insight on how to proceed in your fashion career. Don't forget as well to subscribe, invite your friends, share this video. I will be here giving you tips on how to scale through as a new fashion brand. Thank you for watching. See you in my subsequent videos.